This Kohler Flipbook shows you how to install the Landshapes wall mount bathroom sink handle trim. Place the sleeve over the valve stem. At the face of the finished wall, mark the sleeve. Remove the sleeve. Measure the distance from the mark to the inserted edge of the sleeve. Note the measurement for the following 2 steps. If the measurement is between 2 1/2 inches and 2 15/16 inches, choose the short adapter. If the measurement is between 3 inches and 3 1/2 inches, choose the long adapter. Using the provided key, install the adapters. Install the spline adapters. Measure 5/8 inches from the finished wall and mark the spline adapters. Remove the spline adapters. Cut the spline adapters at the groove nearest to the marked line. Install the spline adapters with the provided screws. Press the handles onto the spline adapters. Align the handles to the closed position. To adjust the handle position, remove the spline adapter. Rotate the spline adapter and reinstall. Reinstall the handle. Repeat this step, rotating the spline adapter a couple of teeth at a time, until the desired handle position is achieved. Thank you for choosing Kohler. Click on the links in the video description to register your product and learn more about the Landshapes wall mount bathroom sink handle trim.